There was an idea.
साथ हैं the one and only, the legend, the man himself, Sagar Shah. Hello, Sagar Shah.
To bring together a group of remarkable people.
To see if we could become something
Everyone
more.
is saying 69 OP. Thank you guys. Thank you.
So when they needed us, we could fight the battles
that they never could.
Ventures have crushed 3-1.
Well played, boys. Well played. Well played, boys.
I understood.
Whenever you look at a position, try to see captures, checks, and threats. Okay, so how it works? Say, always develop your knights before your bishop. The reason is that knight has only one good square here, which is bishop b3. Bishop b3. Piece that is pinning. This is the pinned piece, and this is the piece against which it is pinned.
Oh, sorry. Capture the knight.
Yeah, just take. Remember, a pawn leaving one rank, the next three squares are the key squares, and in a king and pawn endgame, if your king reaches any of these three squares, you win. Of course, there is a mate here, but he's going to defend against it, and then you give a discovered and you win. Very good.
Oh, nice.
Very good. So this concept of principle of two weaknesses, which is like if you have a weakness, opponent most of the times can defend it. Knight pawn wins for the queen, but the bishop pawn draws because the king can sit here and it's a stalemate. Takes, queen b2, and this was made such a big impression on my mind, which was like back rank and the rook hanging.
Bishop
अभी
takes.
उसने पहले खेला g6. ठीक है, ये pawn तो अपना ही है.
ये गलत किया
अपना ही
इसने.
है वो pawn, ऐसे ही खेलते हैं. ठीक है.
अच्छा. More than I know, 3 lakh rupees. People are giving $500. People are giving $200. You have no idea.
3 lakh rupees?
In the match, Carlsen completely destroyed him, and this is when actually everyone thought it's end of Anand. He writes after the match, and so that's the topic of today: loss and how to come out of it. If you go king here, he will go here. He's trying to come out from here. Big day for Indian chess. We already won silver. We want to make it into a gold. Russian team is strong. Grishchuk, Nepo, Artemiev, Dubo. A big congratulations to India for winning a historic online Olympiad gold along with Russia. I would say one very important concept I'm teaching you, which is known as reciprocal zugzwang.
It's all checks if you notice most of the times, all three moves. So it's called method of elimination. You see one thing and you see it does not work, then you chuck it out.
Looks like a completely winning position for black because black has a queen, white has only two pieces, but it's a fortress. 54 years, all world champions from the same country, and then this guy from USA, and so he had won in knockout, in tournament, and also in match play. So he's the only world champion who has won in all formats. Hello Nubair, welcome.
Namaste, sir.
To tell the viewers that if there is one chess trainer who has contributed immensely to Indian chess, it is Ramesh. By the way, hold your heart, Vaibhav. Here is the man who taught you the system. Oh, Eric, welcome to the show. Oh, nice. Magesh, hi, welcome to the show.
Hi, hey Sagar. Hey Samay, hey Vaibhav. By the way, I noticed Samay you were wearing a NASA t-shirt, I guess, the NASA. Yes. And I brought my own version.
Cemil Can is a grandmaster from Turkey.
Hey, hello, Jamil. Nice to meet you.
So Sujit is holding a tournament on Saturday. He sponsored the entire prize fund of 1.5 lakh rupees. First of all, guys, Praveen Tipseji has the unique distinction of being the first Indian to score a Grandmaster norm. The guest today is World Junior Champion Evgeny Stambuliak. Hello. Hi, Evgeny.
Hello. How's it going?
आज जिनको नहीं पता है, मैंने कल सागर शाह को हराया है।
सबको
सागर
पता
शाह-
चला है।
सबको पता चल गया दोस्तों। बाल फैला दो। क्या हुआ थप्पड़ खाएगा क्या सुना मेरे तो थप्पड़ खाएगा क्या बोलाएगा अरे बढ़िया विदित को डांट पड़ी दुनिया भर के सामने मजा आ गया भाई
ठीक है, इट इज लाइक सेइंग कि मैं क्रिकेट प्रैक्टिस करने गया।
अरे भाई ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल वाला एग्जांपल देना प्लीज बता एक ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल वाला एग्जांपल हो जाए
समझो ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल के पास आप जाते हो, यू कैन सी पीपल प्लेइंग चेस इन द टाउन, देयर आर 6000 पीपल एंड देयर इज नो अल्कोहल एडिक्शन नाउ।
वाओ
चेस वाला का प्रॉब्लम क्या है? पब्लिक को दारू नहीं पीने देते हो, सोने नहीं देते हो।
Supreet Parulkar, while Sammy struggles to match his likes to his watching, Sagar here with more likes than watching. No offense, bro, Samay. Oh, okay.
No.
Sorry.
Thanks, Sagar Shah. I'll also read one super chat. Chess.com is better than play chess. Oh, so sorry. Sagar Shah.
Everyone is asking me to say simp OP. What is simp?
Hey, yaar, ignore it.
25th day of our Improve Our Chess. This is a big day, 12th of June, and we have one of our proud. He's here.
आज एक बार आप एस्केप दबाएं यहाँ पे, मैं आपका और एक चीज ये भी पॉइंट आउट करता हूँ यहाँ पे। लेट मी शो यू वन थिंग। एक बार एस्केप दबाएं। आपने मेरा स्ट्रीम लाइक नहीं किया यार।
कौन सा? अरे क्या है?
नहीं अब कोई फायदा नहीं है भाई।
Oh, AD is here. The final count is अरे फुल स्क्रीन करूंगा तो ही दिखेगा 445k. अनबिलीवेबल। मेरी वाइफ और गर्लफ्रेंड साथ बैठ के चेस खेलते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर सेविंग माय लाइफ।
क्या?
ये नहीं था एम भाई, ये बिल्कुल एम नहीं था।
ये एजेंडा में नहीं था हमारे।
India has 66 GMs right now, and today is our 66th day. So I'm going to dedicate this episode to all the 66 grandmasters of Indian chess. First thing, do you recognize the mistake in the board? क्या mistake है?
Yeah.
What?
GM Abhish Mathew is not there.
And you know that at the end of the championship, one flag will be placed, one anthem will be played for the world champion, and you pray and hope that it will be Janaganama. Today is a very special day. It's the Teachers' Day. I want to play a simul against all of them and connected.
Hello everyone.
Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day, Sagar.
Thank you, Anirban. First day for you on Teachers' Day.
3-4 months ago, you would have told me that I would be playing with Sagar Shah, somebody 2400 rated. I would be laughing, and especially if you told me that 3 days after I played with Carlsen.
That's what I was saying.
Queen to f6, and if pawn takes, rook e8 checkmate, and you don't do anything, queen g7 checkmate. Thank you guys, that was my time. Bye.
My way of teaching this is that the knight is a watchman. The watchman is always covering the key squares, and the rook is the killer. So always you need a watchman and you need a killer in every position. अरे विदित इतना हंसो।
Okay.
Rook to h8,
Rook to h8, knight takes, and then
queen to h7 check, king goes to f7, queen to f7 mate.
checkmate. Boys.
Okay. वैभव आज सुबह क्या खाया?
आलू पराठा।
तो वेज था। अनिर्बान सुबह क्या खाया?
कोका कोला।
जो वेज था। और हम अब पूछें समय रायना, तुमने सुबह क्या खाया?
अंडा।
नॉन वेज, इसलिए इसका रैंकिंग
Hello. Welcome everyone to this 100th episode, the finale episode of Improving Chess. This is the matchup that we have on our hands today. It is the finale episode. Samay Raina versus Joel D'Souza, Biswa Kalyan Rath versus Abhishek Upmanyu, Vaibhav Sethia versus Sumit Saurav, and Anirban Dasgupta versus Rahul Subramaniam. Take you through the opening moves of the game. So it started with e4, c6, f4. Arey Samay always f4, d5, Karokan, e5. Vaibhav has mate in 2. It seems rook b7 and queen a8. That seems like the first point for the team front benchers. Front benchers may score. Guys, 1-0 for team front benchers for now. Yes.
Who is winning?
But king thoda
He's
exposed
pushing.
है. King thoda exposed है, कुछ भी हो सकता. Anirban Dasgupta has lost to Rahul Subramanian, and this is now 1-1.
Rook c3 is finished.
Oh, rook c3, and then you take the knight and make a queen. It seems like backbenchers will win this. Oh, Joel is wearing his goggles. Joel is like, yeah, I've won it. Look at him. He knows he's got his man. So, Samay Raina lost to Joel D'Souza here. So, 0-1 here. Abhishek Upmanyu beat Biswa Kalyan Rath. Benchers have crushed 3-1.
Well played, boys. Well played, boys.
So thank you so much.
में बिठा के सितारों में सजा के ज़माने से चुरा के ले जाएगा सागर शाह
And this is not the end. Yes, we'll be continuing streaming, but the Improving Chess series finally comes to an end. Episode 1 to 100. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.